Hey, welcome back. So, first and foremost, state of origin tonight, up the Blues. And we're going to do pulled pork nachos. Why? Because it's Wednesday and nachos are good any day. Good footy feed. Mustard binder. Misty Gully rib rub. Smoke the dog for about 5.5. Little Bavis, he's back in his table and chairs, can't go anywhere. Sprinkle a bit of this on there. And voila. Yeah, let's get this thing smoking like Cheech and Chong. Ooh, fuck yeah. R2D2 smoking away. So have a look at this bad boy. Fuck me.